Ever wondered how AI can spot machine troubles before they even happen? Let's dive into the game-changing world of predictive maintenance. Imagine a world where machines tell you they're about to break down before they actually do. No surprises, no costly downtime. Thanks to AI-powered predictive maintenance, that world is already here. This technology uses sensors embedded in equipment to monitor things like temperature, vibration, and pressure in real time. AI algorithms analyze this flood of data, spotting patterns and anomalies that humans might miss. When signs of a potential failure appear, the system alerts maintenance teams so they can act proactively. This shift from reactive to proactive maintenance results in huge benefits. Companies reduce unexpected stoppages by up to 70%, cut maintenance costs by around 25%, and boost productivity by as much as 25%. Big names across industries are already on board. Factories use AI to predict when their machines need servicing. Energy companies monitor turbines to schedule repairs before breakdowns. And airlines track engine data to increase safety and reduce flight delays. Behind the scenes, machine learning continuously improves these predictions by learning from new data, making the system smarter and more accurate over time. This means equipment lasts longer, operations run smoother, and businesses save millions. In short, AI doesn't just maintain machines. It protects profits and keeps industries moving forward without missing a beat. What do you think is the coolest benefit of AI predictive maintenance? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights.